What's going on, guys? Today I am putting the front suspension on this from that. So I've got to go in and swap the suspension from these two cars today, and I'm actually not at all excited about it, but I'm gonna set up a time lapse and see what I do, see what I end up putting in. There you go. Quick tip, if you this is a little close to my face, huh? A quick tip, if you have those tuner lugs but you don't have the lug key for them, a 17 5-point works great. Slides right over, no slip. That stud's messed up. Did you see that? And there you go.
Show us the lugs, Daniel.
Yeah, these are those like tuner lugs or whatever. But you have to have like a special lug key, but if you just throw a 17 on them, it fits perfect.
We don't endorse stealing cars, just FYI.
We don't endorse stealing wheels.
Oh yes, true.
But
nor cars.
when you get cars with these crappy lugs and you don't have the lug key because you're not an idiot and don't run these lugs, you gotta make do with what you gotta do. Look at this tire that came off of this. This has been sitting for like a fat minute, but this tire is like dead, dry rotted as hell on the sidewalls and stuff. Yeah.
You think it'll still hold air, Daniel?
Well, it will hold air. We can fill it up with air and do like a burnout when this is done.
Sick.
Yeah, that way we can just pop them.
Yeah, look at this. Look at these cracks right here.
Yeah, this thing's beat. I've never seen tires as bad. Alright.
I have.
Here, let's get it out here. Let's do a roll with it. It does like a little hop. It's been sitting for a really long time when there's this many spider webs in here. Dude, look at all that rust. Dude, it looks like they're almost fake how many there are. Those letters are about
to... Bruh. Can we actually do a burnout on these?
Yeah, I bet they'll like delay them like instantly. But
Let's
yeah,
do it.
What if?
Can we do retreads on these?
You get the little thing that like eats it out or whatever. No.
Yo, even underneath here, like look at that shock. This thing has been sitting for so dang long that there are literally spider webs lining.
I think this is like a spider baby right here.
Oh yeah, that's a little baby.
Baby spiders are in there.
Oh, baby spiders.
Like poke it and it just like explodes with spiders. Yeah.
Yeah, that doesn't look like a fun time. And I think Daniel needs some new rotors. If anybody has any spare rotors for S14 that are 5-lug.
Oh, those are Zach's. He's taking those. Okay, so I ended up actually getting the front suspension on. I pulled both sides off and it ended up fitting up perfect. So I gotta do an alignment on this thing. I'm gonna do one with just toe plates right now. I'm gonna go off of whatever was done with the tension rods and hope that's kind of in place. Anyways, I didn't show pulling the other side because again, it would be boring and it was just kind of a time-lapsey thing. So right now what we're doing is we're starting on the rear.
So what are you
doing? That was hella loose. I literally did that like extremely easily. So this is swapped.
The subframe?
Yeah, bushings are kind of... Actually, they're really good. Surprisingly.
Are you just gonna leave this one on? Because these bushings are really good?
No, because I'm gonna do polys, and the polys are pretty cheap. And well, I don't want to have to do all the diff and all that blah 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 stuff. Yeah, this is like stupid loose.
Just take the gun to it.
I just want to make sure they're all stupid loose. We'll take the gun to it in a second because that's ridiculously loose.
Is it?
Scary loose?
I'm scared. I'm scared.
So, I got a kit for this S14. I am super excited and super pumped to put this on. We've got a Dmax hood, a Dmax front bumper, Dmax side skirts. These are legitimately fake.
But it has the same logo.
It has a real logo on it, so I was surprised my real Dmax kit doesn't even have this logo on it. So that's how you know it's fake. So we're gonna put the hood on real quick. Oh, dude, oh, jeez.
Did you just hit the roof?
Yeah, I might have. I hate this stupid thing. Wow, I like how it's standing on its own. Neither of us are holding it right now.
No, seriously. Let's see how long it takes Daniel to do this.
Guess what? I edited the videos, so you're not gonna see how long it actually takes me to do it.
So Daniel, where did you buy this kit from?
This is yo! We're shooting video!
I don't care.
Well, stop screaming.
SHINCHOKU sucks.
So where'd you buy this kit from?
So this is like I got this actually off of carbonfiberhoods.com, but this is their ModeloDrive kit. So it doesn't have the coronavirus. Right?
Yeah, I guess that makes sense.
That's topical.
It's talkable.
Talkable.
So, is this some foreshadowing, Daniel? Are you doing a Zenki?
I am doing a Zenki. I mean, of course I have. It's not foreshadowing when I have a Zenki hood. So this fender right here is actually a kooky fender that was cut to be a Zenki fender. I got it for like $100 or something, so it was kind of like worth it. May not have lined that bolt up correctly. Huh? Oh, did I tighten the other one down too much?
Are you having technical difficulties?
Yeah, I'll just throw in like the technical difficulties, like. Alright, let's see how these line up. So, an actual Zenki lines up pretty good.
Dude, you could like...
Oops. That's
Dude, you can just...
yeah. I need a Zenki fender. That's super lame. It fits.
You know, that actually doesn't look too bad, Daniel.
Yeah, it just needs to scoot back a little bit over here because you can see it's not like far enough forward. So this needs to like have a slit in it for this to fit in. It needs like maybe like an inch slit in there. Oh, and another thing real quick, we ended up getting the suspension back in. I ended up going with some solid mount subframe bushings on this instead of poly. I was planning on doing poly in this car because I'm actually going to drive this like as a street car, but I said screw it, whatever, put some solids in there and never have to worry about it again. I won't have to replace them. So, but the car is completely on the ground now with super lame 4-lug all the way around. This kit though, ooh, it looks so good. I cannot wait for this car to be done. I'm so tired of working on this thing. I have to pull the intake and paint the intake. I've got to get intercooler piping made, brackets for the headlights to mount up. But right now, it's at a point where it's looking pretty good. So I'm going to close the vlog out here. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more content. We've got a lot more coming on. I'm going to throw in a quick clip of a guy doing a burnout that came over to get some fab work done by David just the other day, so I'm putting that in right now.